Step number 1. Wash your hands properly using antibacterial soap and running water. If running water is not available, make use of a high-quality 60% alcohol-proof hand sanitizer gel. You can also use rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle as an alternative to store-bought hand sanitizer. Step number 2. Prior to wearing the mask, check for any damage to the mask. Step number 3. Find the metal strip inside the mask. Step number 4. Turn the mask to make sure that the colored part is facing inwards. Step number 5. Put the mask on so the top bit is laying flat on your nose bridge. Place the elasticated straps round the back of your ears, or if you are using a face mask with ties, tie the cords around the back of your head. Step number 7. Make sure the mask fully covers your mouth, nose, and chin area. Step number 8. Make sure you avoid placing your hands on the mask once it has been properly fitted. If you do not have to touch the mask, ensure that you wash your hands with antibacterial soap and running water afterwards, or use hand sanitizer gel instead. Step number 9. When removing the mask, carefully take it off while avoiding touching the front part of the mask. Get rid of it straight away and wash your hands thoroughly with antibacterial soap and running water.